Welcome back, guys. It's your girl Eunice. As you all know, what happened between Monfa and the EFCC, but we have good news as Monfa is back. He returns to Instagram, posting, "I am not a Yahoo boy." Ismaila Mustafa, aka Monfa, has returned to Instagram after his release from EFCC custody. He fulfilled his bail conditions yesterday. We reported earlier that Monfa, who was arraigned by the Economic and Financial Crime Commission on 14 counts bordering on fraud, money laundering, and running a foreign exchange business without the authorization of the Central Bank of Nigeria, was granted a ₦100 million bail on Friday, November 29th. He was on IG Live this afternoon celebrating his freedom with some friends, singing to Naira Marley's song. Monfa said he's not a Yahoo boy. Guys, let me know what you think. Could Monfa be a Yahoo boy or not? Let's hear your discussion in the comment section below.